Let's say that I'm out of the office and I get a call on the Reach app, and that particular party is looking to talk to somebody else, perhaps someone in another department in my office. I don't have to ask the person to hang up with me, dial the office number. I don't have to go through any of that business. I can transfer that call that I just received to the office. Here's how that works. So let's say, for example, I've got a call and I'm receiving that here on the Reach app. As you can see on the screen here, all I have to do is press on the accept button. Now I have the call. The call shows as active, and I have a menu of choices here below that I can choose from. We, of course, want to transfer this call, so I'm going to press on the transfer key. I've pressed on the transfer key, and now I've got a few choices. I can do a blind transfer, an attended transfer. I could simply transfer that call to voicemail, not only my own. I could transfer that to someone else's voicemail if I wanted to. Or the last choice I have is I could transfer the call to my cell phone. That's obviously going to be the cell phone side of the call. In this case, I'm going to choose the blind and just transfer the call directly to that party, which of course means I'm not announcing the call, I'm just transferring it directly to that party so they can pick up the call. So I press blind, I put in that extension, and I press on the transfer key. So notice, now I've got the call coming in on my desk phone. And now I'm handling the call there.